For the water situation in Morocco, unfortunately, we went through serious times in the last 6 years. So 6 consecutive years of drought with an unfortunate impact on agriculture, of course, but also on the water supply in general. And in this tricky context, I think the desalination within an integrated water management scheme will help and is starting to help addressing all these water scarcity related challenges. One of the projects that I'm really glad to be contributing in it is actually it's in collaboration with the MIT and precisely with Professor Gang Chen. It's on photothermal solar evaporation using bio-waste derived materials. The whole idea about this project is that we want to make an eco-friendly and a user-friendly device for people, especially in remote and rural regions, to use the water that is available in there. This will be based on what we call circular economy principles, meaning to make this device cost effective, the idea is that we try to resource all the materials that is needed to develop this device locally, meaning that people from the southern part of Morocco, we have ongoing research to convert the palm leaves and the algae from the prosperous industry around algae in Laayoune, I think, and other parts in the southern part of Morocco. We try to valorize all the generated waste to carbonize them, to make basically carbon out of these, and then we add kind of polymers so we can have these small discs and that will be put on the surface of the water. We do this carbonization with 2 technologies. We have the pyrolysis, but in this case we go up to 600, 700 degrees C. So that's in terms of economic feasibility that will basically add more charges to the production cost. But we have a new technology, it's called hydrothermal technology, where we can use this, basically it's kind of pressure cooking these bio-waste, and we can restrain the temperature till 180 to 250 degrees, so much lower than this, and we have really good properties. For the material that will be put on the surface of the seawater, basically, first of all, they are, with the carbonization, they are blackened, so they absorb solar light much more efficiently. And the other point, they are porous. We have micropores, we have even nanoporous structure in these to pump the water through capillarity from the water source, to pump it, and then you have a kind of water film on the surface of this material from where the sun will dislocate the water molecules and then they will evaporate. And then at the top you have the surface where the water will be condensated and then collected for potable use. And we need to add more resilience when it comes to water management in Morocco. And also the objective is to deploy it throughout Africa, because basically we're all subjected to these challenges altogether. And if we team up and we align all these research efforts, these innovations, I think we're good to provide a sustainable framework for water management, for agriculture, for the industry, and for the people.